Hi, it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and in this video we're going to be making 3 different kinds of lamb's ear wreaths for summer. This is a great way to use a year-round greenery wreath and just dress it up with a few simple things that you don't glue in so you can use the same wreath for all different seasons. So I'm going to show you how to do that for summer. I have other tutorials where I've shown this for other seasons. If you're interested, I will link them in the description box below. So to start, we're going to be using this adorable lamb's ear wreath. This is one that I've made already. It's available in my Etsy shop, or I also have a tutorial you can grab in my Etsy shop that will teach you exactly how I make this wreath. And so you can make that wreath and then make tons of different wreaths for all the seasons using just this one lamb's ear wreath. All right, let's go into the first wreath. First, we're going to make a patriotic wreath for summer. It is about Memorial Day, so we're going to be using those red, white, and blue all the way through 4th of July. And of course, if you're in a different country, switch this up for your country colors. First, I have this ruscus, and I believe I have most everything for this first wreath linked, so that is very convenient. So this will add a nice pop of greenery. Then I have some red poppies. Love these for our pop of red. And then I have these blueberries. I love these clusters. They're so pretty. They're very vibrant, but any kind of blueberry you can get would be great. And last, I've cut up these stems. These are from Michael's. They actually came on a big stem, but I've cut them up and I'm going to use the white flowers for that. Let me show you how it's done. And remember, I'm not gluing anything in. So that way you can just stick the pieces into the grapevine and then take them out when the season's over, and you can stick in some other things. So this is a great way to save money and time and use up what you already have. So first I'm going to cut up some of these. I already have 2 of them cut up. I'm using my favorite wire cutters. These are linked under tools in the description. I absolutely love them. So many of you have bought them and love them too, and I'm so happy about that. And I'm just moving some of the leaves up a little bit, and we don't need too many of these. So I'm just sticking this into the grapevine along the grain, and then kind of just fluffing the leaves out. It just gives it a nice texture. So I'm going to add these all the way around the wreath. Okay, now we're going to add in these snowball flowers. I've cut them up so there's just 2 or 3 stems, or so there's either 2 or 3 big flowers per pick. And we're just adding this around the wreath. This would be really cute for spring too, wouldn't it? Now we're adding in our poppies. I have some cut up already. Now we're going to add our blueberries. There's our first one. All right, what do you think of the first wreath? It is so cute. I love all of the red, white, and blue with a little pop of extra greenery. I think it's so pretty, perfect for a patriotic wreath. All right, this next wreath could be a fall or summer wreath. I got these pieces from a garland actually that I got at Hobby Lobby. I just love all these fall textures or summer textures. It looks dried, but it's actually faux. And then I'm going to add some olive leaves in with it. You can get these anywhere. Everybody has olive leaves. So what I've done is I've taken the garland apart. Here's a piece of the garland. It's just long like this. And I've just taken them apart piece by piece. So each piece has a flower. And then I just take them apart. Sometimes, since they're wrapped in paper, you might have to add a little bit of glue to the bottom or wrap it in wire. So I've done that already, and I'm just going to add this around the wreath. All right, so you could leave it like this and that would be really pretty, but I'm going to add a little bit of contrast with these olive leaves. So what I've done is I just take these olive leaves and I'm cutting them in half because I don't want a lot. So I'm just going to cut it in half. So I have just a couple pieces like this. And we really don't need a lot. And I'm just going to add these in, and this kind of provides a little bit of contrast and brings it back to summer. All right, here is our second lamb's ear wreath. Super cute. What do you think? I love the dainty white papery flowers and the tan leaves against the olive leaves. It's just such pretty texture and color, really subtle and soft. I just love it so much. All right, this last wreath we are using some eucalyptus from Hobby Lobby. This was in my favorite greenery from Hobby Lobby video. If you haven't watched that yet, you will recognize this. And then I grabbed a beautiful summer flower bush from Michael's. I will have this linked also. And I just love it. It's got so much fun texture and color all in one bush. So I thought I would use that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in our greenery. I just love the eucalyptus against the sunflowers. That bright green really complements it, I think. All right, now I'm going to just take these apart. I'm pulling the leaves down because I don't think I want the leaves. All right, all the leaves are down, and now I'm just going to chop the stems off. Sometimes grabbing a bush can make things so much easier because you have all these different colors and textures that go well together, so it takes a lot of the guesswork out of it. All right, so first I'm going to separate these so I know how many I have of each. So most of the things I have 3 of, and then I have 4 sunflowers. So I'm going to start with the 4 sunflowers. I prefer having 5 of something, but I only have 4, so we're just going to use it so you don't have to buy more than 1 bush. And then I'm going to add in our yellow. So cute. And then we're going to add in these in between each of those. And then we have our other yellow, and we're going to add that in between them as well. And it comes with a bonus greenery texture, that little fern. So cute. Isn't that so sweet for summer? I love this. And of course you can add bigger sunflowers or smaller. What do you think of that wreath? Isn't it so cute? I just love the eucalyptus against the yellow and the white sunflowers. I just think it's so pretty. So sweet for summer. All right, which of those wreaths was your favorite? I would love to know. Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. And don't forget, I will have a lot of these things linked in the description so you can buy the exact same thing I used if you want to make one of these for yourself. All right, bye.